Good morning, students. In this video, I will read and explain you Chapter 7, Rescuing Mesua. Rescuing Mesua means saving Mesua. Who is Mesua? The human mother of Mowgli. Let's see how Mesua got into problem and how Mowgli saved Mesua from that problem. Mowgli took his knife and started to remove Sher Khan's skin. Remember, in last chapter, Mowgli has killed Sher Khan. Now he has taken out his knife and started removing Sher Khan's skin. Just then the chief hunter from the village came, shouting for the boy to leave. The chief hunter of the village came and shouted at the boy Mowgli to leave Sher Khan there. He wanted to take the skin for himself and tell the village that he was the killer of the great tiger. The chief hunter wanted Mowgli to leave Sher Khan because he wanted to show off to the villagers that he has killed the tiger, not Mowgli. But Mowgli was not afraid. He was angry. Mowgli was not afraid of the chief hunter. He was angry with him. Akela, this man is annoying me. This man is making me angry. Mowgli said, Akela. In a moment, the hunter found himself on the ground with Akela on top of him. Listening to Mowgli's cry or anger, Akela jumped over the hunter. The old grey wolf showed his teeth and growled until the man cried out in terror. Akela stepped over the chief hunter, and the old grey wolf showed his teeth in anger and growled. Growled means complained angrily or shouted angrily on the hunter till the man cried out in terror, in pain or in fear. Please, I beg you, don't let this beast kill me. The chief hunter requested Mowgli to rescue him from this beast. That is the Akela, the old grey wolf. Go and don't bother me again. Akela, let him go. Mowgli, listening to his plea, he asked Akela to let the chief hunter go. The hunter ran terrified back to the village, feared back to the village, telling everyone that Mowgli was a magic boy who could talk to wolves. He went into the village and told everyone that Mowgli is a magic boy who can talk to the wolves. So, when Mowgli returned to the village with the herd, the people threw stones and shouted at him. Why? Because people thought that he is a magic boy. He has some magical power. Wolf child, go back to your jungle. Now, villagers asked him to go back to the village because they thought that he is a wolf's child, not a human child. Not again. Last time they sent me away from the jungle because I was a man. This time they are sending me away from the village because I am a wolf. Let's go, Akela. Now Mowgli got very upset when the villagers asked him to go back to the jungle. Remember, when he was in the jungle, the young wolves asked him to leave the jungle as he was a man. Now this time, the villagers asked him to leave the village as they thought he was a magical boy who could understand the wolves. So they asked him to go back to the jungle. Now, because I am a wolf, let's go, Akela. He is so upset that he asked Akela, let's go back to the jungle. I don't want to stay with them. Much later that night, Mowgli and the two wolves stopped at Mother Wolf's cave on their way to the Council Rock. While going back to the jungle at the Council Rock, both the wolves and the Mowgli stopped for some time at the mother wolf's cave to meet her. They made me leave the man's pack, mother, but I come with the coat of Sher Khan. I have kept my word. He complained his wolf mother that men have asked me to leave the village. I have come back, but I have come back with the coat of Sher Khan because I have killed him. See, I kept my words. I promised to kill him. I have killed him. Mother Wolf's eyes shone brightly. Means she was very happy. I told on that day when he came to this cave hunting you, my son, I said to him, the boy will kill you one day. Well done. Remember in the beginning when Mowgli was a small child and Sher Khan had come to take him away? Mother Wolf told Sher Khan that this boy will kill you one day, and you have kept that words, and I am very happy that you have killed him. Well done, very good. She appreciated his work. They heard another deep voice from the tall grass. Bagheera came running to Mowgli's feet. As Mowgli and the two wolves were with Mother Wolf, they heard another deep voice. There was lots of noise coming from the tall grass. Bagheera came running to Mowgli's feet. Means Bagheera came running near Mowgli. Well done, little brother. We were lonely in the jungle without you. Now, thank God you have come back because we were lonely. We were alone without you. They all climbed up to the Council Rock together. All of them together climbed over the Council Rock. The pack still had no leader. But the wolves came, all that were left of them. All the wolves came there. They watched Mowgli place Sher Khan's skin on Akela's old stone. Remember, Akela was the leader of the wolf. He used to sit on that Council Rock. Now Mowgli spread Sher Khan's skin on that stone. Mowgli then danced on dead tiger's skin while Akela and Grey Brother shouted or screamed. The next day, Mowgli was in the cave with his family, Balu and Bagheera. Now next day, after that Council Rock's night spreading the skin of the Sher Khan, the next day what happened? Mowgli was in the cave where his family was there, Balu was there, Bagheera was there. The animals were pleased, were happy to have him back. They were very happy that Mowgli has returned back. Mowgli lay with his head on Mother Wolf. Mowgli placed his head on Mother Wolf. I never want to see, hear or smell a man again. Mowgli complained that I don't want to see the villagers or any man, or I don't want to hear about them, or I don't want to smell them again. Suddenly the animals stood still, noses in the air. Grey Brother stood up and went carefully towards the mouth of the cave. While everybody was sitting, they heard some noises from far, because animals have some strength, or you can say have some special power. From their smelling, they could come to know something, some noise or something wrong from the air. Grey Brother stood up and went carefully towards the mouth of the cave. At the entrance of the cave, mouth of the cave, entrance of the cave, men from the village. Grey Brother said, there are men from the village. They have come for me. Mowgli said, they have come for me. Don't worry, little brother, we will kill them before nightfall. We will kill them before the night starts. No, wait. Let's find out what they are after. Mowgli said, just wait, we will not kill them. Let's find out the reason they have come here for. I will continue explaining in my next video.